All right, here's a figure that appeared in a problem on an SAT exam. Don't you love those? All right, now this is introduces a concept that you're going to find in this course a lot, and that is you have to train your mind to see the figure inside the figure here. So here they give you this. They want you to find angle ACB, all right, which would be this one, and they want you to find angle X, what that measure is, and they want you to find angle ADC. All seems quite impossible until you notice that I have a large triangle here. Most people get caught up in the two smaller ones inside there. And these two axes together, that's angle ACB, are the third angle of that large triangle that I've outlined in blue. We know that angle A here, 45 degrees, and angle B here, plus this angle ACB, that is, have to add up to 180. And because of that, we can just subtract 45 here, and then subtract another 30, 105. So we know angle ACB is 105 degrees. Now we would never have gotten that if we hadn't seen this larger triangle here. And notice that we had two of the three angles. Anytime you have all but one of the quantity that's, and you know what they're supposed to add up to here, you can find that missing one. All right, now the fact that these are both named X means that they're equal to each other. So it's very simple then, at this point, to find the measure of X. So maybe you remember this. And 2 goes into 5 4 times, or 2 times, I mean. So 52.5 for X. All right? So then what is ADC? All right, so now another good strategy, once you figure out a piece of information, it's a good idea to fill it in that location, because we're all very visual, and it's much easier for us to see things in when they're visual. So that's what we've got here. We've got, now they ask about ADC. That's this angle right here, which is the third angle of the smaller triangle ADC. And I know two of those angles now. I know that there's 52.5 and 45. So this time instead I will add them together. See that they are 97.5, and these three angles here, here, and here have got to add to 180, because this is also a triangle, and all triangles, the sum of their angles is 180 degrees. So when we subtract 97.5, we get 82.5 degrees. So that is the measure of angle ADC. So we use our knowledge of triangles and what the three angles of a triangle have to add up to. They have to add up to 180 to figure out all this information. They didn't tell us to use that. We just did it because we're smart, right? That's what we're doing here. So, very good. See you on the last one.